Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Zach Shaheed, broadcasting live from Shaheedville, the great city of Columbus, Georgia. Yes, it's the Dadpreneur, one of the leaders of the Legacy Creators, and it's time for another live Zach Fact. Now, I'm telling you all, if you are in network marketing, if you are in affiliate marketing, or even if you're somebody building your own brand, you have your own website, and you have been promoting your website on social media, you want to make sure that you listen to this message, that you share the broadcast, tag up your teams, share this out, because I'm telling you, the game is changing. What's up, Elsa? Elsa's in the building. One of my awesome teammates right there. She's so phenomenal. 5-figure industry earner in the building. Yes. All right, so look, y'all. Check it out. Social media is changing, right? They are blocking network marketing links, affiliate marketing links, and your own personal branded websites. How do I know this? Because it happened to me. I was the guinea pig. It happened. Now, let me go ahead and tell you, one of my coaches warned me that this was going to happen a couple of months ago, right? And I was just like, no, I'm good. You know, I'm posting value on a regular basis. People are engaging with me on social media. Facebook won't block me, right? I'm not spamming people, you know, all that type of stuff. I'm like, I am good. I should be good posting my links. So I'm going to tell you what happened, guys. So I went to go run an ad, right? And in this ad, it was a video ad. So I'm always running video ads every single month to retarget my audience that has watched my previous videos, right? Now, if you know anything about marketing, you know about retargeting ads, right? So I went to go run an ad. What's up, Mary Thomas? I went to go run an ad, and in this ad, I've actually masked my affiliate link with my pretty links on my website. If you don't know what pretty links is, don't blow your mind. All it is like you're masking your affiliate link so it doesn't show up with this long link in the description, right? So normally my affiliate links have mentorwithzach.net/something. Okay, so I always have my branded website as the links that I'm putting out there. So anyway, I went to go run this ad. The ad got approved. Now, mind you this, Facebook approved the ad. Okay, so they approved it. They started to run the ad. Okay, they took $20 away from me before they decided to block the ad. All right, what's up, Cheryl? So they took $20 away from me before they decided to block the ad. So, you know, of course, I'm trying to figure out, why did Facebook block my ad? So I reached back out to them. I asked them to explain to me why they blocked the ad. What's up, Bernita? And they messaged me back and said, after further review, we have noticed that you are promoting something that goes against our community standards. Now, if you guys have not researched Facebook community standards, I need you guys to go research them today, because I'm going to be honest with you. Social media, I don't care if it's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, guys, they honestly do not like make money from home opportunities. Okay, so if you are in MLM, affiliate marketing, or even if you have your own brand where you are promoting a product, social media platforms honestly do not like make money from home opportunities. And if you read Facebook's terms and conditions and their community standards, they actually tell you that inside of their community standards, right? What's up, Retha? So Facebook has completely blocked my website from being posted on Facebook. So for all of my attraction marketers out there who are saying to yourselves, yeah, Zach, but guess what? I don't post my link all over the place. I don't post my affiliate link. I'm an attraction marketer. Okay, people reach out to me and then I send them my link. I'm an attraction marketer. Guys, listen, I was doing the same thing. I was not posting my regular affiliate link. So even if somebody messages me now, I cannot send them to my website on Facebook. Period. Facebook has shut it down. And then I'm going to tell you what they did. Facebook took down every single video that I had with Mentor with Zach on top of it. Every video, every piece of content, Facebook took it down without warning. They don't care. Okay? If they feel like you're going against their community standards, they will snatch it down. So for all of you, I'm telling you right now, it is coming your way. If you are sending people links to an affiliate offer, to a network marketing offer. I don't care if you're masking that link with Bitly. I don't care if you're masking that link with pretty links. Facebook AI is the Terminator. If you guys have not figured that out, Facebook artificial intelligence is the Terminator, okay? You cannot get around Facebook AI. It is super smart. The algorithm knows exactly what's going on. So eventually, it is going to catch up to you. It has happened to me, and it has happened to other top 6 and 7 figure earners that I know in the industry. So what is my solution, right? So some of you may be sitting back, you're like, oh my God, Zach, if they're going to block my links, how am I going to still use social media to build my business? How am I going to get somebody to look at my video? How am I going to get somebody on my opportunity calls? You know, there's always a workaround, guys. They can't stop the beast. They can't stop the beast. What's up, Brandy? So what I'm about to share with you all is one way. This is one way. There may be another way, but this is one way that I recommend that you get around Facebook blocking your links. And I actually got this from a 7-figure earner. If I mention his name, some of y'all would know who he is, but he told me to start using this months ago. And I was like, nah, I don't want to use it. Because I'm going to be honest with you guys, right? Sometimes I feel like top earners are just trying to sell me something else, right? So I was like, nah, I'm good. What's up, Rachel? I was like, I'm good. I'm not going to need that. I'm not spamming anybody. You know, people are reaching out to me. I'm sending them, you know, I'm good. So here's the solution. Let me post this right here. I'm going to show you how cool this is, right? So the solution is getting on the phone with people, but I'm not talking about physically picking up the phone, calling people, because you guys know I love leverage, right? I love to use systems that work for me 24 hours a day. So watch this. Let me post this number right here. I want you guys to go call this phone number. All right? Call this phone number right here, and this is what's going to happen, right? So I now have this number on all of my social media platforms. I have this number on all of my websites. Okay, so when somebody calls this number, it immediately sends. So first of all, they hear my voice first, right? So when they call that number, the message says, hey, my friend, this is Zach Shaheed. You know, thanks for calling me, reaching out for more information. I have sent you a text message with the link to take a free tour, right? So call that number, and I want you guys to test it out. Okay, so when you call that number, it's going to send you the link, okay, to my company's website so you can take a free tour. All right, so now this is what I'm going to do, right? What's up, Antonio? So now this is what I'm going to do. This is my strategy. Every video that I do, every piece of content that I post from now on, I'm going to tell people to call me. I'm going to say, call me at this number. When they call me at that number, it immediately sends them the link to take a free tour, to go to a webinar, to look at my company's replicated website. That phone number will do everything that I want it to do. Okay, so now that phone number is working 24/7 for me. So if I run a video ad and I have this video ad running on Facebook, I am not sending people to a link anymore. I am going to send them to that phone number. And then when they dial that phone number, they're going to hear my voice, and my voice is going to tell them, I have just texted you a link to take the free tour. Okay, so I want you guys to go test it for yourself so you see exactly how it's done. Now, some of you may be saying, well, Zach, how much is all this going to cost me to set up? $20. Okay, I paid $20 to get this automated system that I can leverage that's going to work for me 24/7. So now all I have to do is have somebody call a phone number. Okay, as you guys can see, Brandy says she has received the text message. Guys, this is going to work for you 24/7. I'm going to put this number on all my business cards. It's going to be on every website I put out, every capture page I put out. This phone number is going to be on everything, because guess what? Facebook, social media, they're not going to block phone numbers. Okay, they're not going to block a phone number. But when it comes to a link, if they can go look at your link and then and analyze that you are paying, or that you're sending somebody to a site outside of Facebook, they're going to block it, because Facebook does not like you sending people to outside links. But if you're telling somebody to call you, Facebook does not have a problem with people calling you. Yes, Brandy, I did choose. Well, I didn't choose a number. I just told the system I want a 706 number. Okay, and it gave me a 706 number, and it's $20 one time. $20 one time. Okay, so you're not paying monthly for a phone number. It's one time, so you can't beat it. So if you guys, let me do this. Let me minimize this right here. If you guys want to check out the system yourself, just go to this website right here. I'm not going to say it on the video because Facebook AI might block this video. All right? But go to that website below, okay, and you can go check out the system for yourself. Okay, it's $20 one time to get this set up, and you can start telling people to call you. And when they call you, they're going to get your webinar. They can either get your replicated website. They can get your free tour. Whatever it is you are promoting, boom. That is my workaround for social media blocking, affiliate marketers, network marketers, people who are branding themselves. They won't stop this guy. They won't stop the beast. There is always a solution. Okay? There is always a solution. And I am so blessed that I am like partnered up with other industry leaders who shared this info with me, right? So guys, go check out their website right there somewhere. Yeah, right there. All right. Go check out their website. $20 one time. Create your phone number and put that phone number on every website, all your business cards, all your capture pages. So that way it's automated. Leverage, guys. We got to create leverage. We got to have stuff working for us 24/7. So that's your live Zach fact for today. Hopefully you all got some value from this. Again, tag up your teams. Share this out to every network marketer you know. Because I'm telling you guys, if they blocked Mr. Dominate Social Media, if they blocked this guy, okay, it is coming for everybody, okay? They are trying to build a new social media where it's all about community. They don't want a whole bunch of sales and all that stuff going on. So if you want to continue to build your brand and impact thousands of people's lives, get your info out there, get this set up, $20 one time. All right, I'm out, guys. You all have a great day on purpose. I'll see you guys on the next live Zach Fact. We are out. Hold up. Brandy said, I just printed some new business cards. Oh, it's all good, Brandy. Just next time you print your business cards, add your new phone number on there because I just did the same thing. I just bought some new business cards. So my next round of business cards, I will have this number on there. But if you go look at any of my social media, I have updated my Facebook, Instagram, website. It all has this phone number on there because when people call it, it's working for me 24/7. All right. So go to the website, get your number set up, guys. And once you have your number set up, shoot me a message. Join Dominate Social Media and let me know how you are leveraging this number and what type of results you are getting. You are welcome, Elsa, my friend. I will holler at you guys on the next live Zach Fact. We are out. Peace.